If you want to use Claude Code for free, then this video is for you. In today's video, I am showing to use OpenRouter all free model inside the Claude Code. There are many models freely available in OpenRouter, all the free model that you can access inside your Claude Code for free. Do you want to use it? Then let's get started. First, go to your favorite browser and search OpenRouter with Claude Code. Then you can find integration with Claude Code. This is the official documentation of OpenRouter that will mention how you can connect OpenRouter free model and paid model inside the Claude Code. Not only in Claude Code, you can also connect OpenRouter model inside the Codex Cursor and other model as well. If you think why we use OpenRouter with Claude Code, then OpenRouter add a reliability and management layer between Claude Code and Anthropic API, giving you and your organization several key benefits. We will explore every benefits in this video. Okay. Then how you can use it? Here it will mention each and every process to use it. First, you need to install Claude in your system if you have not installed it. Then how you can install it? If you are using Mac OS and Linux, then use this command. If you are using Windows PowerShell, then use this command. Copy this command and paste it in your terminal within the 2-3 minutes, depending on your internet speed and your device capability, it will install. And another things, didn't forget to install Node.js and NPM as well. It will also require. If you think I'm confused, it will be installed in my system or not, then you can check by using this command. From Claude -- version, you can check the Claude version. From npm p, then you can check npm version. Similarly, you can also check Node version as well. If every version will be reflected, then you are ready to use this. Then next, what you need to do, it will mention go to your project setting file. After you have installed Claude Code, .claude folder will be generated in your system. If you are using Windows, then mostly it will be created in the cbin directory. If you are using for Mac Linux, mostly it will be created on some other directory. Then after you have installed, I will show you the easiest way how you can open it inside your Visual Studio Code. First, open your Visual Studio Code, and if you are using for Mac Linux, then and press Command Shift P. If you are using Windows, then Control Shift P. This window will be open. Then search for code or search for shell command. Shell. Then you can find shell command, install code command in your path. Install it. After you have installed, your code command will be activated in your system. Then go back to your terminal and type code and .claude folder. I will provide this command in video description. You can get it from there and press enter. Then your .claude folder will be open in your Visual Studio Code. If you are using it for the first time and setting.json file is not here, then don't worry about it. Click this add new file and add the settings.json. If this file is not here, I have already created. That's why duplicate file didn't allow it. I don't create it. If this is not here, create it. Your file is empty, then what you need to do? I'll provide this in video description as well, or you can get it from here as well. Copy this and paste it here. If you paste it here, then one thing is missing, which is Anthropic model. You need a Anthropic model. Along with the Anthropic model, you need one another things, which is Anthropic or token, where base URL will be already here. Then how you can get your auth token? Go to the OpenRouter official website, get your API key. If you are using it for the first time, then create your account, then profile will be reflected here. If you create profile, then you are landed here. I am actively using it for free and my credit is also 0. I am using it totally for free. And if you are using it for the first time, then this all will be not here. Directly go to the new key, give the API key name, whatever you want to, WTF code. I will set the expiration date 1 hour. After 1 hour, it will be not working. If you want to use for a longer period, then select other option. Didn't share your API key with anyone and you will not able to see it again. That's why if you want, copy it and save it in your notepad or anywhere. Then I will get back to my Visual Studio Code and I'll replace my new API key. Then one last things will be required, Anthropic model, then close it, back to the OpenRouter.ai and go to the model section and type for free. All the free model will be reflected here in the top rank. Those model will be reflected which token are actively used at the current time. Currently, Nemotron 3 Ultra and Poolside Laguna will be at the top. Among them all, I have tried each and everything. According to my experience, Nemotron is too much slow. You can also decide which model do you want to choose by this rank. If you want finance, then you can also choose it. Currently, it will rank in the 35 in the finance category. In programming, it will rank in the 14. In science, it will rank in the 28. Means this model performance is also awesome. And 580 billion token will be used in the last 7 days. Click here, then copy the name. Be careful. Model name need to be exact same. Paste it here and save. You have provided the model name, you have provided the auth token, you have provided the base URL. Now you are ready to use. If you want, close it and open it in the terminal, or you can directly open it in the Visual Studio Code terminal as well, or you can easily use it inside the Visual Code extension as well. We have already set age and everything. Then just type Claude and press enter. It will ask Claude Code will be able to read, edit and execute file here. Do you want to trust? Yes, I'll trust it. Now Poolside Laguna M.1 free model will be available here. Let's see, does it work or not? Hi, you can see it will respond in 8 seconds. A free model which responds in 8 seconds means which is working perfectly. I'll ask another question. How are you? Okay, this time it will take more time, but it will respond. Are you ready to help me? Okay, it will working perfectly. Now it will respond in 7 seconds. Means this model is working perfectly. If you want to switch other model, then process will be same. Okay, let's see another model. If you want to use this OpenAI GPT OSS 120 billion free model, then you can also easily use it. Just copy this from here, close your open code interface by typing Ctrl C twice and open Visual Studio Code and this .cloud folder. Then you only need to change the Anthropic model. Remaining all are same. Save it, close it, and reopen the Claude. Hi. OpenAI GPT model is also working. Means both model are working. Some model takes more time to respond. Some model responds little bit faster. Try it and decide which model is suitable for you. This is the way that you can use OpenRouter any of the free model inside your Claude Code. By this way, you can easily use any model that will be freely available in OpenRouter. If you have purchased any API key, then you can also integrate it here. How you can use it unlimitedly in open code, there will be the limit. If you can search open router limit for day, then it will say for free account, OpenRouter will be provide 50 requests per day and 20 requests per minute. After your limit is reached, then you are unable to use it. Then to unlimited use, you can create 2-3 Gmail account and randomize your API key between 3 account. Then you can use 150 to 200 requests per day. It will be sufficient for you. Okay. By this way, you can use more limit in OpenRouter. This will be the only way. Other than that, you need to pay it. If you pay $10, then it will be the 1,000 requests per day. If you are a student, then it will be expensive for you. Instead of this, create 2-3 Gmail account and use it from there. Okay, that's it for today's video. We'll meet you on the next video. Okay, bye bye. Happy coding.